In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cider to Chrome. Cider is a helpful AI assistant that lives right inside your browser, so you can get quick answers and writing help while you browse. To get it set up, we'll use the official Chrome Web Store, which is the safe marketplace for Chrome extensions. Start by opening the Chrome Web Store. You can do this from any Chrome tab by searching for Chrome Web Store, or by going directly if you already have it bookmarked. Once you're there, look for the search bar at the top and type in Cider AI. You should see an extension called Cider ChatGPT Sidebar AI Assistant. Click that result to open its page. This lets you confirm you've got the right one before installing. On the extension page, click the button that says Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will take it from there and install the extension automatically. You might see a brief download and then a confirmation message letting you know it's been added. That's all you need to do for the install itself. After it's installed, look to the top right corner of Chrome for the puzzle icon, which is the Extensions button. Click it to open your list of extensions. Find Cider in the list and click the small pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps Cider visible on your toolbar so you can open it quickly whenever you need it. Now click the Cider icon on the toolbar to launch it. At this point, you can sign in or start using it right away, depending on what the extension prompts. If you see a quick tour or permissions notice, that's normal. Just follow the on-screen guidance so Cider can work alongside your web pages. If you don't see Cider after installing, here's a quick fix. In the address bar, type chrome/extensions and press enter. This opens your extension settings. Find Cider and make sure the toggle is turned on so it's enabled. If it was off, turn it on. Then refresh your browser tab to reload everything. After that, check the puzzle icon again, pin Cider if needed, and you should be good to go. That's it. You've added Cider to Chrome, pinned it for easy access, and confirmed it's enabled. Now you can open a page, click the Cider icon, and bring AI help right to your current task without leaving your browser. Enjoy exploring what it can do.